Audemars Piguet X1017 ALYX 9SM 26240BA. Main features are case, 18-karat yellow gold case, glare-proofed sapphire crystal and caseback, screw-locked crown. Case size is 41 mm, case thickness is 12.4 mm. Dial type is yellow gold dial with vertical satin finishing, yellow gold royal oak hands with luminescent coating. Bracelet 18-karat yellow gold bracelet with a P-folding clasp. Number of parts are 349. Power reserve is 70 hours approximately. Number of jewels are 40. Frequency is 4 Hz, 28,800 VF. Other features are flyback chronograph, hours, minutes, and small seconds and date display. Self-winding.